Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 5152. This shape runs from the second month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, Hayman and Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, module and neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.